Question 5. In which quadrant is each point found? Well, now you know the quadrants. Which are the quadrants? So we have quadrants starting from right hand corner and we name it as 1 and it goes counterclockwise. So it is 2 here, 3 here and 4 here, right? So these are our quadrants, right? Points are labeled with capital letter like A, B, C, D given here, correct? Now you have to write in which quadrant are these points. So A, for example, is in quadrant 3, right? So you can write 3 here, correct? B is in quadrant 3, correct? C. Now C is in between quadrant 1 and 2. So we will write between or in the interface of 1 and 2. So I'll write for the time being A, 1 and 2. So it is between 1 and 2. So we can write both 1 and 2. Correct? Now in the last video, you remember the points on the axis, I'm not really considering them in any one particular quadrant. So when I ask the question which points are in quadrant 3, then for me the points A and B are in quadrant 3, right? This is on the boundary of 3, so I'll consider this to be in the boundary of 3 and 4, and I'll write this as, when I write for H, for example, let me write H also. It's not included here. So when I write H here, then I will say on the boundary of 3 and 4. Okay? So we'll write both the quadrants, not one particular one, correct? Because it belongs to both kind of in the boundary, not exclusively to one. So similarly, you can fill up this. Now origin. Origin is at the intersection of all the quadrants, right? So it is common to all 4. So we'll say it is in the boundary of 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So we'll just make a line for H here. So it is on the intersection of all the 4 quadrants, and that is the origin, right? So that is how you can fill this out. Fine, that's so easy. Thank you.